Hello there and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW 330d saloon here at your next car. So I'll give you a walk around the outside of the car whilst I talk you through some of the features and options, and then we'll jump on into the interior, excuse me, and get through into the interior options and spec. So of course, starting with the outside, where you'll see we fitted the Your Next Car Performance Kit, which is fitted all in-house. On this particular 3 Series, we've gone for the gloss black front splitter, gloss black kidney wheels. We've also got the 405 20-inch alloy wheels, which we've just fitted. These alloy wheels are all brand new tyres. This particular 330d is an extremely high spec vehicle. Included in the spec on that options is the M Sport Plus pack, so included in that is the M brakes, as you can see there behind the stunning 20-inch alloy wheels. So that's bigger front and rear brakes. The headlights on this model are the BMW LED headlamps. So moving down the side, we've got the satin vinyls, satin sidebars, and of course the M Performance decals. We've got the privacy glass, and showing you off your 20-inch rear alloy wheels with the M Sport Plus calipers. Moving on into the interior, where we find the black Dakota leather, which in the front on this model is heated thanks to the M Sport Plus pack. We also have the superb Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7. As well as having heated seats, we have the electric lumbar adjustment on both passengers and driver's side front seats. Moving into the very rear, where of course we have the Isofix ready rear bench. Moving right to the very rear of the vehicle, where we find the gloss black rear boot spoiler and satin diffuser. Another nice option on this 3 Series is the X-Drive 4-wheel drive system, a very rare option on the 3-litre variant. We also have a rear-facing reversing camera. Boot space on the 3 Series is very good, plenty of space in there. Another nice option on this particular 3 Series is the split folding seats, which is an option on any of the 3 Series saloons on this shape. And in a moment I'll just demonstrate how much space that does add, having the split folding seat option. So there you can see the seats in the folded down position. And now we'll jump on into the interior, into the driver's seat, and have a little look around the interior features. So not only do we have the rear-facing reversing camera, we have the professional wide navigation and media. We also have the superb 8-speed sport gearbox with paddle shift, along with the multi-function M Sport steering wheel, cruise control with speed limiter function, volume control, voice control. The vehicle itself has covered just over 67,000, as you can see there. We also have the heated seat function. This particular professional wide navigation and media is the facelifted version, so we do have a few more functions and features in there. As you can tell by the home screen, it's a little bit different to the previous models. If we go into connect to drive, we can see it has got the newer setup. It's also got a few more functions in there, as I've already mentioned. If we go back into the My Vehicle status, you can see that everything is in green in the service requirement setting. Engine oil is not due for 6,000 miles, and if we go into service history, we can see all the services that the vehicle has had. Bluetooth calls and media. And of course we've got DAB and a wide array of multimedia inputs as well. Okay, so that's pretty much going to finish off the walk around video. Before we step out of the car to finish off the video, there is just one last thing, which is of course the superb head-up display, which again is another nice rare option to find on this vehicle. So not only will that display speed, that'll also display turn-by-turn direction should you have a sat-nav route set. And as you can see there, any warnings, i.e. side lights on, door open, etc. Okay, so of course we do hope you found the video useful, but most of all we do of course hope to see you very soon here at Your Next Car. Thank you very much for watching, take care, goodbye.